Okay, so it's the 2nd of February 2022. The versions of Houdini have changed. The old workflow that you'd use for maintaining your UV sets or adding additional UV sets, the workflow is slightly different, and we're going to step through that now. So right now I have the perspective view up, and I can see my geometry is perfectly fine. I know there's UV sets on there because when I go to the UV view, I can see what's going on here. I can also tell that it has the attributes that I require, because if I look here, for the vertex attributes, I have a UV set, right? Now, the way you're going to get your second set is literally by adding that attribute. So we're first going to drop down a UV texture node, and it's got UV by default. We just literally add 2 there. And if I go ahead and highlight that, come in here and then set this to the new attribute UV2, there we go. So the UVs, they appear to be working with some kind of a orthographic top-down projection. So we're going to come in here and do a UV on wrap. And then the next thing we want to do here is, well, firstly highlight the node, get the current state, and I'm going to go ahead and drop down the scale. And we want to change attribute to number 2. That'd be helpful. So if the original scale came in like that, so you wouldn't see anything. It was about 2. And so you just kind of scale that down to what's ideal for what you're working with. For me, I'm looking to generate some light maps now. So let's see, 0.1. So in my case here, 0.1 works pretty well. The algorithm that was used to generate the layout is pretty good. And so that's literally how you go about doing it. Just a quick summary. You literally drop down a UV texture node, you change the attribute name, and then from there you do a general wrap with the default parameters coming in. In my case, you'll need to do whatever you need to do in your end. And then from there, we want to adjust the spacing to make sure that there's no overlaps coming through on the workflow. And that's literally it. All right, thanks for watching.